Hi guys, Jackie here from the BUILDERALL team. In today's tutorial, we are going to create a one-click upsell in Super Checkout with Stripe. The first thing we need to do is to go and build your pages. I've already created these pages just to save us some time. We've got the first page, which is called Home. That's where your initial product is going to be. Then we've got the upsell page. That is where your second product is. And then we've got two thank you pages. One if they purchased this one product, and another if they've purchased both. So that is what they look like. That is the home page with the initial checkout. Then we've got the upsell page to second bag with the buy now button, and the one that says no, I just want my normal order, and the two thank you pages. So that is what we are going to work on. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Super Checkout. On the left hand side, you will see that it says business info. If you have never created a Super Checkout product for this specific domain, this is what's going to come up. You're going to have to complete the business details. Otherwise, it's not going to go to the next section, which says create product. Now, I've already created the product to save us some time. You will need to create two. Your initial product that you want to sell, as well as your upsell. So the first thing is I'm just going to go through one of them, but what I do on this one, you can do exactly the same on the other product. So I'm just going to click Edit. So the first thing you need to do is add your image, give it a product name, choose your language, make sure you ask for the address because it's a physical product that needs to be delivered. Choose a very good description here. The type of product as well as the category. You're going to click Save and Next. On this page is where the very important information is that you need to give, and this is what's going to make the upsell works. You have to choose Stripe. It's currently the only payment gateway that we can use that will enable you to do a one-click upsell. So you're going to go, I'm just going to click there. You're going to choose Stripe, and you're going to see the information on the left-hand side right there. You're going to complete it, and then you have to enable it. If you do not enable this section, your one-click upsell will not work. So that is very, very important. So in this case, I've already chosen Stripe. I'm going to say United States, and I'm just going to say $10. You don't have to fully other stuff in if you don't want to. I'm going to go click Next. We are not going to do any affiliation for this product because I just need to show you how it works. Then I've chosen the middle one for checkouts. I always prefer the middle one. It just looks a lot more cleaner. And then you need to be careful here of what you choose. So because you've already created your pages, it's going to be a lot easier to complete this section here. Here it says select your thank you upsell page. So this is your second product. That's what's going to come here. So you're going to do your drop down and you're going to choose upsell. Then select the page where you will sell this product. So that's the initial product details that goes in there. And you're going to click Save, and I'm going to click Next. If you want to, obviously, you're going to link it to your specific mailing box that you want. You're going to add your thank you email settings. This is a case, it's a default, just to say thank you that you've bought. And I believe abandoned cart is very important, especially for physical products, because if they do not complete the transaction, you would be able to send them a message and they would be able to know exactly what's going on and maybe redirect them back so that they can finish the transaction. To do that, you can always go and change it here to your own personalized message. But I'm just going to leave it as default for now. I'm going to click Next. Next, and Save, because we're not going to do any of those integrations right here unless you want e-learning and that kind of stuff. And then you're going to duplicate it for both of them, exactly the same. Once you've done that, you're going to go back to the initial page. You're going to click on links. Notice that there's a lot of links on the site. The most important part is the one that says one-click upsell URL. You're going to copy that to the board. You're going to go back to Cheetah, to your home page, your first initial product page. Here where it says Super Checkout, you're going to right click. There it says embed URL. You're going to copy it in there and apply. And then you're going to hit save. Then we're going to go to the next one, but you need to add it by the Buy Now button. You're going to go back to Super Checkout. We close. You're going to go to Handbag. You're going to click on Links. What you choose is here at the bottom again. Copy. And you're going to go back to your site here. And you're going to click on that button. I just want to remove that so you can see. Just delete that. And you're going to click select. And you're going to hit save. That's fine. And that's all you need to do. Then the one at the bottom, not today, just want my man back. You're going to highlight that section. And you're going to link that specific one to your thank you page, to the one that says you do not want the product, you just want your bag. So that's your 2 thank you pages. Alright, now we're going to test it. We're going to click and go to website page. And it's going to open our main page with the super checkout information. We're going to go on checkout. It's going to ask us for all the details to be completed. We're going to click pay. And now it's going to go through and say thank you for your payment. There we got it, super checkout, thank you. And we're going to click continue. Now it's going to take us to our upsell page. And this is where the important part comes. Because if you're going to click buy now, the client actually bought the product already. It's not asking for any more details. You can say thank you, your payment has successfully been processed and approved. And you're going to click continue. And it takes you to the thank you page. That is the one. I'm going to go out there. Let's say you said no. It will take you to your thank you page. And that's it for today. Bye for now.